Behind every successful project is a promise kept, that what we build will stand the test of time. At Callahan, QA/QC isn't about checking boxes, it's about protecting our clients' investment, ensuring performance, and delivering lasting value. Quality assurance and control are woven into every phase of construction because our reputation rides on what we deliver.
My name is William Gregg. I'm the Quality Assurance Quality Control Manager here at Callahan. I've been at Callahan for 7 years, and we've built a great team around our quality program. A major initiative for Callahan this year has been implementing our core values of teamwork, perseverance, integrity, and continuous improvement. It is this last value of continuous improvement that really resonates throughout our quality program. Having a culture that embraces continuous improvement and growing and learning as a team is one of the greatest things about working at Callahan. We capture lessons learned, share knowledge, connect dots between projects, and through these things, we bring out important dialogue, productive change, and team accountability and involvement. Every project we build is an effort in mitigating risk. Risks are inherent in what we do. It's inherent in the construction business. Our job as a team is to come up with a specific plan for each project. We try to minimize the possibilities of failures, mistakes, oversights, and to meet or exceed the expectations of our clients. The QA/QC program here at Callahan is an effort to establish a consistent level of approach and understanding, pursuing our quality objectives, and setting the direction for our organization to track and empower continual improvement. Quality assurance focuses on establishing and implementing processes and procedures before any work is put in place. It's really a set of organizational steps where we understand the quality initiatives and requirements of any given project. We ensure that we're following the expectations of the drawings and specifications and the work we're going to put in place. Quality control, on the other hand, is about the work that's put in place. Quality control involves inspection, testing, and evaluation to ensure adherence with all the steps and processes that we put in place during the quality assurance process. As we tee up the project in quality assurance, we develop best practices, work in place checklists, we understand our project needs, and through the tools that we can leverage in Procore, we maintain continuity for the duration of the project. As the QA/QC manager, I'm really in charge of helping to develop and manage the quality control program as a whole. Our quality management program is constructed to assure the highest level of quality in everything we do. Our contract documents, our client expectations, these are things we dive deep into in that quality assurance step I mentioned earlier. And from that, we strive for superior, consistent results from start to finish in all aspects of the work we're doing. In addition to my role as QA/QC manager, we also have a QA/QC coordinator. This position is really the administrative and technical side of our quality program and quality initiatives. This position helps document and track how we're doing on our projects, adhering to our quality agenda. We monitor internal trends and try to sort of evolve our program to understand what we can do better and how we're tracking against our goals. The coordinator is also our admin for our lessons learned program. He's also a technical resource for our energy efficiency initiatives, air sealing strategies, blower door testing, as well as window and door testing. More recently, we've created new positions under the QA/QC umbrella for QA/QC superintendents. This is a very exciting role for us, a critical role that I think has helped us link office and field in a way that we haven't had before and that really differentiates Callahan in this industry. Quality superintendents work directly with the project field teams to support the quality focus in the field in real time. Supers really help champion the lessons learned that we have, as well as being a mentor and resource connecting the field and the office. It's a critical tie for Callahan that unites our efforts and puts our core values into action. We've assigned specific roles from some of our site superintendents as envelope superintendents. They focus on the execution and the quality control in the field. The envelope superintendent strives for a comprehensive knowledge of all the facade, roof, and courtyard elements, including drawing details, design changes, all the expectations, materials, and compatibility issues that comprise these assemblies. And through this process, they help us develop and evolve our quality best practices and procedures to successfully manage the process from submittal review through mock-up, installation, punch, and turnover. Some of the best practices for mitigating risk really start early on in the project. So planning ahead, getting to know our projects is super important for us. This can start with drawing review. It continues through coordination with the owner, the architect, consultants, sharing knowledge, and bringing forward our lessons learned, our critical steps that we see help mitigate risk. Often that starts with a mock-up and the first installation activities. It can progress through additional kickoff meetings that align the trade partners with the design elements, and all this done before work is put in place. Ultimately, it's about managing the relationships for the team and building that team. Our goal is early involvement in a process to focus on lessons learned, drawing details, specifications, and from this to understand the expectations we can identify. We have questions, we can request clarity, and our goal is to add value as a partner in this relationship with the project design team and owner to establish a constructive and proactive dialogue early in the process. We're usually brought in kind of late in the CD drawing development. At this time, we can help shape solutions and build quality expectations, teamwork, and we can drive the project for those results with an effort to improve the execution. Our involvement throughout the project from beginning to end really helps us understand what's where and how the project develops, so we can assist our warranty program in issues that may arise after turnover. Callahan really strives to be a team player before a project starts until long after the ribbon is cut. Managing risk is, as I said earlier, what we really do. So the quality program is an integral process to help manage that risk. No project is perfect. I'll tell anyone who asks that issues happen, things come up. Not everything's avoidable, not everything's within our control. With good quality procedures, however, it's how we manage the challenges that are presented to us that differentiate us. This is our quality program working. If nothing else, we strive for risk avoidance. If there are issues that occur, if not caught early, they can really snowball. So again, it's about our response to these things. When I first started in quality, I heard a lot about the cost of poor quality, and I didn't really understand what that meant. My feeling about it now is that it's really about the financial and reputational impact of poor quality, whether that's in rework or something that lingers beyond project completion. Poor quality can very directly lead to sour relationships with trade partners, reduced trust by design teams and consultants, and ultimately it can lower owner satisfaction, so it can cost us repeat work. When we look to mitigate risk, pre-planning is key. Mock-ups are a super important step towards that pre-planning effort and to understanding the inherent risks in the project as it moves forward. Doing a mock-up, we can identify key details. We can start to understand sequencing of materials, bump that against our original scheduling expectations. It also gives us a quality benchmark. So for the entire team, from owner, architect, even in some cases cities and towns, it provides a quality standard to which we aspire. During the process, we can identify materials, compatibility issues, constructability issues, how everything comes together. It helps us build more documentation and clarification. It helps us understand the critical areas we need to review once we get onto the actual building itself. In some cases, we do performance testing on our mock-up. So again, it can help us test out our construction against the expectations for the job. So an organized and disciplined mock-up procedure and a quality finished mock-up product really demonstrates Callahan's commitment to the quality and to the team collaboration pieces. We have 3 passive house projects currently in construction, and where this kind of high-level energy efficiency and sustainability initiatives used to be optional for owners, enhanced codes, stretch code and other compliance has really moved this needle forward as something that we're going to see more and more in projects. Callahan's made an investment in its people to train employees at all levels on energy efficiency and enhanced code compliance demands. Callahan strives to be a leader in this knowledge and develop effective tools and management for the future of the built environment. Our quality team supports this initiative. We've got in-house blower door testing equipment and the knowledge to test our projects at a midpoint in the construction to confirm that our air sealing and attention to detail is meeting the expectations of these enhanced code requirements. For our teams internally, we're a resource. we're that extra set of eyes. We're not burdened by the day-to-day. We're less encumbered by everything that's happening on the job site all the time. So we can come in and be a very specific support focus for our teams. We can look at all the projects also, and we can connect dots between projects. So if one project has learned something that can assist another project, we can bridge that gap. We can connect the distinct information and experiences separately so that these projects are managed together in a more consistent way. That also provides some shared insight and knowledge that we can bring back into the company, and we can develop lessons learned from that and communicate that out on a general basis to everyone in the company. For our clients, we offer depth as a resource. We're not a back-of-house quality team. We're not out just checking boxes. We actually have people on the job. We're testing our solutions results against our expectations and always driving for the best results to manage for success. At the end of the day, quality isn't just what we build, it's how we build trust every step of the way.